Hey guys, in today's video I will talk about the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. I will talk about the potential upside continuation because the bias remains bullish despite temporary retreats or sideways movements. But also I will talk about a potential correction, larger correction after its amazing swing higher, leg higher, and if the yen basket develops a larger rebound. So I'll talk about US dollar Japanese yen. Risk disclaimer here, please read it, and if you have questions you can send an email to support. So please read it, and if you want to join the VIP groups you can hit the link below this video. So let's take a look here, or actually let's take a look also on the economic calendar. But first of all, daily chart here, US dollar Japanese yen. After this strong downside movement, it has found strong demand, and above 126.36 a rally, a retreat here, and a new leg higher and swing higher. Okay, it has extended its growth within the ascending pitchfork body 1, 2, and 3 here. It has retested the lower medium line. It has registered only false breakdowns. But as you can see here, it has failed. It has failed to hit the medium line of the ascending pitchfork. Yeah, in all these attempts, that's why it has retreated a little in the short term. But the bias remains bullish, as I've said earlier. The bias remains bullish, and personally, I will draw something like this. One moment, because I want to put. Yeah, something like this. Okay, and right now I will try to use an inside sliding line, something like this, and I will take it and I will put it here. Yeah, here it's failure to stay above this inside sliding line. Right now the price challenges this inside sliding line again. But guys, very important, very important, because I've talked about the yen basket earlier today in that market breakdown video, and I've said that the yen basket could resume its growth. But right now in the short term, and as you can see on the 4-hour chart, yeah, after this amazing rally, yeah, maybe a retreat, it's natural, but it could only approach and reach this demand zone, and as long as it stays above 142.93, it could only hit this zone before developing a new upwards movement and bullish momentum, trying to approach and reach maybe the medium line of the ascending pitchfork. Okay, so right now, no, we cannot talk about a potential larger drop. Actually, only in the short term. I've told you it could approach and reach maybe this zone, this area. Maybe it could approach and reach also 142.93. And here, guys, after this extended sideways movement, it has dropped below the former low here. Okay, 143.98, and in the short term it could try to retest it before extending its sell-off, or it could come back here to retest the supply zone before extending its sell-off. So personally, I would look for potential shorts, for potential selling opportunities in the short term on lower time frames, because after this sideways movement here, breakdown, maybe a retest, or here coming back to test retest the supply zone, could bring us potential short opportunities, selling opportunities, because I told you maybe the US dollar Japanese yen could approach and reach this zone, maybe 143 psychological level. Because after after this amazing upwards movement, rally, growth, retreat is natural, sideways movement or a corrective phase is natural, and only taking out here 142.93 could open the door maybe for a larger correction, at least towards the lower medium line, and taking out the lower medium line could signal potential larger downside movement maybe towards this zone. Okay, this is my opinion about US dollar versus the Japanese yen, and testing retested in this demand zone, and developing a bullish pattern here inside of this this zone. Order block could bring us potential new longs, or making a new higher high could signal potential further growth. Risk disclaimer here, please read it, it's important, and learn to trade forex signals. If you want to join the VIP groups, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please like this video, you can share it, you can comment. Bye bye.